Salam everyone, hello and welcome. This is Aya. In today's video, we're going to make a card. I'm gonna use this beautiful stamp, and this one called Your Church, and we have a stamp and the die. So we'll do a very simple card. So let me stamp this one. I put all my white scraps in this, Arial folder. As you see, I stamped before and I did a card, and I'm gonna show you at the end of this video. How about it's watercolor, this one. I thought to do a copy coloring, but let's do watercolor. I have here my Misty. And I chose those colors to match my paper, design paper. So let's color. I'm going to die cut my panel, and I think I would use something. I would choose something. I would choose maybe purple one. I will use this beautiful die. I really love it. This one called Stitched Postage Frame Die. So I'm use the largest one. Let's go and die cut.